In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default issue types in Atlassian Jira. Whether you're a Jira veteran or new to the platform, this guide will clearly walk you through the process to ensure you can effortlessly customize your settings. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira dashboard. This is your central point in Jira and where you usually begin your journey with the platform. From here, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot a gear icon. This is labeled as Jira Settings. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select the option that says Work Items. This area of Jira is dedicated to controlling the behavior and attributes of the issues you'll work with daily, so it's important to be familiar with it. It offers the backbone structure for how you manage tasks within your projects. Next up, under the Work Items header, you'll find an option called Work Type Schemes. Click on this option. It's a crucial step for organizing how issues are categorized in your Jira projects. Think of these schemes as templates. They define how issue types are grouped for various projects, ensuring consistency across your team. Now, you need to pinpoint the specific issue type scheme that your project already uses. This is necessary because the changes to the default issue type should align with the specific scheme that your project operates under. Browsing through this list might feel overwhelming if you have multiple schemes, but take your time to locate the correct one. Be patient and ensure you're picking the one linked to the project you're servicing. Once you've found the applicable issue type scheme, you should see a set of 3 vertical dots on the right side of the schemes row. Clicking here will open up a menu with several options. We're going to focus on the Edit option, as this is the key to modifying your default issue type. Upon selecting Edit, you'll see a drop-down menu specifically for the default issue type. This step allows you to choose a different issue type from the list provided. Here, choose the one that you wish to set as the new default. Selecting the appropriate issue type really depends on how your team plans to categorize and prioritize tasks moving forward, so be sure to select carefully. Finally, after you've set your preferred default type, it's crucial to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save. This will apply the changes you've made, ensuring that your project utilizes the new default issue type you've selected. Always remember to save. Neglecting this step will result in any changes being lost. With these steps complete, you should now have successfully changed the default issue type for your Jira project. Taking the time to customize your issue types will greatly enhance your project management process, making it easier to sort, prioritize, and resolve issues efficiently. I hope this guide was helpful, and remember, customizing Jira to fit your workflow is critical in maximizing productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy issue tracking.